It's the summer shift in local emergency rooms and doctors' offices.
Yeah, the children are wrapping up school and everyone is starting to spend more time outdoors, and that's changing the mix of illnesses and injuries we're seeing. My Dr. Frank McGeorge is here to break down what's going around.
Several doctors mentioned the wildfire smoke seems to be impacting their patients with pre-existing breathing problems. We're also hearing about an increase in patients with Lyme disease. That's a disease spread by ticks, and there's plenty of contagious illnesses too. Here's what's going around where you live.
In Wayne County, spring and early summer allergies are flaring. Dr. Jennifer Stevens-Hoyer at Henry Ford Plymouth is treating an increase in asthma and COPD symptoms. At Children's Hospital, Dr. Kelly Levasseur is seeing kids with strep throat, stomach viruses, and some viral illnesses causing a cough and runny nose. Over at Oakland County, Dr. Matthew Compton at DMC Huron Valley Sinai is starting to see people affected by the wildfire smoke and air quality. Corewell Health Children's in Royal Oak reports lots and lots of kids with stomach viruses. Dr. Rena Deza at Henry Ford Bloomfield Township is treating seasonal allergies, upper respiratory infections, and Lyme disease. Henry Ford Farmington Hills is seeing patients with post-viral coughs lasting up to 3 months after the initial infection. West of Washtenaw County, Dr. Brad Uren at Michigan Medicine says the warm, high pollen days are causing problems for those with severe asthma or COPD. Dr. Stuart Braden is treating lots of kids with croup and asthma, plus some stomach viruses and cases of COVID. They're also seeing an increase in Lyme disease. Looking to Monroe County, ER doctors at ProMedic Monroe Regional continue to treat a high number of patients with allergy and asthma-related issues across all ages. They're also seeing an increase in respiratory and stomach viruses and sports injuries, particularly in school-age kids. Finally, in Macomb County, Dr. Emily O'Reilly at McLaren Macomb says outdoor injuries top the list, but they're seeing a lot of stomach viruses too, mostly in school-age children. Asthma symptoms are hitting hard as well, and Dr. Maria Samuel at Henry Ford Sterling Heights is treating seasonal allergies, upper respiratory viruses, and a few cases of COVID.
Now, we typically do see stomach viruses rise in the summer months, especially in children. One place kids can be exposed is the pool. Remind kids not to swallow pool water and only swim in well-maintained pools. And if your child is sick with a stomach virus or diarrhea, keep them out of the pool until they're fully recovered. Back to you.
Okay, Dr. McGeorge, thank you. And you can read more advice from local doctors about how to avoid the illnesses and injuries that are causing problems right now at clickondetroit.com. Just search what's going around.